Today I'm going to show you how to remove the AVG Search Toolbar homepage in Firefox, step by step, so you can get your browser back to normal fast. If AVG has taken over your homepage or added an unwanted toolbar, don't worry, this is usually quick to fix and you do not need to be a tech expert to do it. And before we get started, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, open Firefox on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the menu button, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu where you can access all of your browser settings and add-ons. From the menu, click Extensions and Themes. This will take you to the page where Firefox keeps all installed extensions, themes, and add-ons. Once you're on that page, look for the extension section. Here, you want to find anything related to AVG. Common examples might include AVG Secure Search, AVG Safeguard Toolbar, or any other AVG branded extension that looks suspicious or unwanted. If you see one of those, click the 3 dots beside the extension. A small menu will appear, and from there, select Remove. Firefox may ask you to confirm the removal, so go ahead and approve it. This step is important because the toolbar or extension can be what's changing your homepage and search settings. If you find more than one AVG-related extension, repeat the same process for each one. The goal is to remove every AVG component that could be affecting your Firefox browser. After removing the extension, it's a good idea to close and reopen Firefox so you can make sure the changes fully take effect. Now let's restore your homepage. Open the Firefox menu again by clicking the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. And this time click Settings. In the Settings page, look at the left side and select the Home panel. This is where Firefox controls your homepage, new windows, and startup behavior. Under Homepage and New Windows, you should see an option to restore the default homepage settings. Click Restore Defaults. This will reset the homepage back to Firefox's default instead of the AVG search page. If your homepage was changed manually by the toolbar, this step should bring it back to the standard Firefox start page. After that, take a moment to check your browser settings one more time. Make sure the home page looks right and confirm that no AVG extension is still installed. If you want, you can also check your search settings to make sure AVG is no longer being used there either. Cleaning up both the extension and the home page setting is the best way to fully remove the AVG search toolbar from Firefox, and that's it. You've now removed the AVG search toolbar from Firefox and restored your homepage back to default. This should make your browser feel normal again and help prevent unwanted redirects or homepage changes in the future. If this video helped, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.